Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring your sample's texture. Determine percent sand, percent silt, and percent clay. Use a dry, representative scoop and lab method or jar test to get those numbers. Once done, confirm the three values total about 100 and write them down. Make sure you have a printed soil texture triangle and a ruler. These let you plot accurately. Now position the triangle so the labeled axes line up with your percentages. You're ready to plot the first point. Next, plot each percentage into the triangle step by step. Start with percent clay and draw its guideline across the triangle following the clay axis. This narrows the band of possible textures. Then, from percent sand, draw the sand guide toward the interior using the sand axis grid. That line will cross the clay guide. Make sure lines are straight and extend fully. The point where sand and clay guides intersect determines the texture region. Finally, check the nearest labeled area to Finally, read the soil texture label where your plotted point sits. That's the class you use for recommendations. To verify, plot percent silt as a third guide. The three lines should converge at the same point. If they do, you have a consistent classification. If they don't intersect cleanly, don't guess. Remeasure the percentages, recheck math, and ensure your triangle is oriented correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: small measurement errors shift classification, so repeat measurements if results seem implausible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.